Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I vlogged. Today is, I think, the 4th or the 5th of June, and yeah, it's pretty cold, you guys. I just came back from the shops now. What I'm gonna do for the rest of the day is to clean, and what else do I need to do? Finish tidying up my room, and then I want to watch The World of the Married or The Office and just like stay in bed and relax a bit, and then later on see where the rest of the night takes me. So I'm gonna show you guys a few things that I got or have been using over the past few weeks. Yeah, because I haven't been able to vlog. Well, I haven't been vlogging because I've been releasing different types of content, so I just want to show you these things quickly, guys, and then I'll obviously like elaborate more on them in my videos that I'm gonna make. I have a Winter Essentials video coming up, and I also have a haul coming up soon, so I need to decide if I'm going to do a sorbet or also a heavenly haul, but yeah, it'll depend on the finances. But anyway, I got this rolling thing from Mr. Price, you guys. This is how it looks. It looks so fancy, so I just use this to apply moisturizer on my face, both in the morning and in the evening, but mostly in the evenings. And then I also got this face brush from Mr. Price. It's got the bristles over here to apply the face wash on, and then you can also use this to apply your moisturizer, but because I already have the roller, I just use this side. I also got this body scrub from Sorbet. This one is rosemary, starflower, pearl, and vitamin E. It smells absolutely amazing, you guys. I thought the purple one was bomb, but this one is absolutely amazing. And I've used 3 types of body scrubs. I've used one from Lush, I've used one from Bramley, and Sorbet, and I still say Sorbet body scrubs top 10, like no, top one in fact. Yeah, the best. And then if you watched my feminine hygiene haul, I was using the Lillet feminine body wash for the vagina area. Now I'm using this Betadine. This has witch hazel, and it's also for odor control, etc. I really like these because they don't have soap in them, and that's why I like them so much, and they help with balancing the pH. But as you know, I don't use them every single day, maybe 5 to 4 times a week, so the rest of the week just use water. Last thing I want to show you guys is my new candle. You guys know I absolutely love candles. Love the aesthetic of this candle. I hope I can take a nice picture for my Instagram, and it smells absolutely divine. I've already burned it, as you can see. I got this candle on, I think, Tuesday or Wednesday, and there was load shedding that day. How terrible. It is amber scented, and it's a perfect scent for winter. Amber, lavender, sandalwood, all those are great winter scents, so I'm so excited to continue burning this candle. And yeah, you guys, and then I just came back from the shops. I got myself some magnolia oil and some hand cream, which those are also lavender scented, and I'll be showing you guys those in my winter essentials video, which I'll probably film either this weekend, or actually this weekend, definitely either today or tomorrow, depending on how my schedule is looking, because obviously it means I need to put on makeup, etc, so I'll figure it out. But guys, I also come from Tops, and I got 2 brutal fruits, these ngudus. I've been wanting to buy them, so finally I didn't even pay for them, but I was lucky enough to have someone pay for them. But anyway, guys, I also bought something. I want to unbox it and maybe film a reel for it. I wanted to film another reel today, but I'll film it tomorrow because it's pretty cold, so I'll film that tomorrow. And then yeah, let's go follow my Instagram, guys. Let's get my page to 1,000 followers. Let's get to 1,000 followers by the end of June, please, guys. Please. But anyway, guys, let me go unbox what it is that I want to unbox. So that footage is also going to be a reel on my Instagram, but I'm also going to insert it into this vlog. So see you in a bit. I'm in the bathroom now. I'm about to film another face mask Friday. I think it's part 4 now, and I'm going to be using this mask. It's a Skin Republic mask. So yeah, I'm going to change quickly into something more, I don't know, but something less wintry, and then film face mask Friday part 4, and then I'm gonna chill, guys, or maybe take a shower, then chill. I don't know, but I'm just gonna go wash my face quickly, put on the mask, and then yeah. The reason I'm filming this before taking a shower is because it's really cold, and like once I'm done taking a shower, I just want to wear pajamas and my gown and be warm. So I don't want to have to film a video or anything. I'm just going to continue vlogging, and that's it. So yeah, let me get to filming, guys, and I'll see you later. Guys, I'm in the middle of filming my face mask Friday, and I just realized I didn't even change my outfit. But anyway, let me go continue. I'm gonna go do step 2 now, and then yeah, I can enjoy the rest of my evening. So guys, I'm gonna finish filming my face mask Friday tomorrow because I want to go to sleep and see the results tomorrow. If my skin will still be dry, or if it'll feel, you know, better and maybe more moisturized tomorrow morning. So right now I'm gonna go pour myself a bit of Brutal, watch some 90 Day Fiance, and just be warm by the heater, you guys, before I take a shower and chill for the rest of the night. I'm not sure if I'm still gonna vlog for the rest of the night, honestly speaking, but yeah, if I do, then yeah. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Guys, it is Sunday morning. I just started cooking. Actually, it's not Sunday morning, it's 12 o'clock, it's in the afternoon. I just started cooking. I already finished filming my face mask Friday, so right now I'm gonna finish off cooking, try to revive my braids because while they look a mess, and my sister wants us to go out, so I need to cook as quickly as possible because I normally cook like the whole day. So I'm gonna try to cook at least in an hour. So I've already put in the rice and the sweet corn. I'm gonna just make the potatoes and the meat, and then I'll make the gravy as well. So hopefully in an hour I'll be done. I'm not sure if I'm still gonna get to film the videos I wanted to film, but hopefully I will be able to. If not, I can film them next week because it's the videos that are coming out in the next 2 weeks of June, so I still have a little bit of time. But anyway, you guys, the perfume that I got, whew, child, it smells absolutely amazing. Like, I love it, love it, love it. And guys, my room is looking extremely chaotic, because not really chaotic actually, but I just need to tidy it up a bit, and then yeah, get my life together, because wow, I've had quite a lazy weekend, but I did do a bit of cleaning this weekend. So anyway, let me go finish cooking and then do my makeup and go. Yeah, see you guys later. Guys, here's the meat. I just finished boiling it. I'm going to now put it into the oven. Well, obviously I'm going to season it first and then put it into the oven. The potatoes are already in the oven. I'm going to stop recording now before I get copyrighted because there's music in the background. I've never tried Moe. This is a brute. I'm actually going to try it now, and yeah, hopefully it's nice. I got my special glasses. I hardly ever use these, but I mean, it's my way. And yeah, I actually took a sip of it, and guys, people are lying. This is nice. People said this was not nice, but they're actually lying. Ooh, Guys, this looks so good. Wow, cannot wait.